Rajesh, how much the price has gone up? I mean, even the markets, there are two developers listed who control a lot of, TDR rights in Mumbai. Their stocks were buzzing on this big news that TDR rates have doubled. What do you think? I mean, how much have they gone up, and who's really what's the cause of the price movement?
We will have to look into the total aspect. Now all the societies and the total suburban area which is under redevelopment is boosting. There are so many projects which have come during shorter span. The generation of TDR, which was mainly the slum TDR, within last I think so 2 years, not a single largest slum redevelopment project which can generate a larger area has been sanctioned. So whatever earlier sanctions were there, those projects were only completed. So the TDR which was already there generated a long back, which was getting exhausted. Second aspect, when earlier also the same thing happened when TDR prices had jumped, state government felt it important, so they introduced a concept of premium FSI, where the premium was levied for 0.33% of the plot area, and that FSI was generated in the plot, and that premium was being shared between the state government and the municipal corporation 50-50. At that time, after implementation of that thing, TDR prices went substantially down and were hovering between 1800 to 2000 rupees for a longer period.
Right.
Within last 2 to 2.5 years, the same price range was between 2000 to 2200, whether we call it Bandra or whether we call it Borivali or Dahisar.
Okay.
But within last 3 months, these prices have almost doubled. It has gone more than 4,000, 4,500. Right. So practically it has been doubled. What are the reasons? Exhaustion of the earlier TDR, sanctioned TDR, no new availability. And what are the reasons with which we can again reduce this thing and bring it to a level where each and every redevelopment project can take its own course. If 0.33 FSI of premium is again doubled to say around 0.67, so government and the corporation will get more than 3,000 crore per annum from this premium FSI, which can be again reinvested in the infrastructure of Mumbai.
So, our viewers going to get lost in those many figures. So very simple question. With TDR prices going up, do you think that the developers probably have another reason to raise prices of more houses and new supply in Mumbai?
I don't think so developer will be able to raise the prices, because prices are on a very high side. When we talk about reducing the rates, reducing the cost of the project, and if again TDR prices, cost of construction and everything will increase, I think so the total redevelopment will get stuck at the level previously also why redevelopment has not seen implementation. So the projects will get delayed and prices won't increase, because overall the prices within last year has not increased. Then also sales are not there. Then also if TDR prices will increase, each and everything is increasing. So all the redevelopment will get stuck. This is the way it will